Hi, good evening. Before you, this is Shashi. In this slide, we will talk about blood vessels, which are blood vessels which are attached to walls of heart, which are associated with the heart. Mainly, there are five blood vessels attached to the heart. They are aorta, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. These are five blood vessels, main blood vessels, which are attached to the heart. Some are receives blood from the various parts of our body towards the heart. Some are pumps blood from the heart to various parts. Some are collect the blood from the lungs and send to the heart. What are they? What are those blood vessels and how they related and what from where they collect and receive and distribute the blood. Let us see one by one. Blood vessels, blood vessels of heart. Blood vessels of heart. Total main five blood vessels are associated with the heart. Five blood vessels. First one is aorta. Aorta. Next one is pulmonary artery. Next one is pulmonary vein, superior vena cava, superior vena cava. Next, inferior vena cava, inferior vena cava. These are the five blood vessels associated with the heart, important blood vessels. So what are their spot, what are their location, and where they collect and where they way to that distribute the blood. So this is the heart. So chambers, first one is aorta, largest artery, largest largest artery of our body, largest artery of our body. They arise from the left ventricle, left ventricle, left ventricle, and distribute the blood throughout our body, throughout our body by respective blood vessels. They form a arches and they supplies the blood, they supplies the blood throughout our body. That is the first. They uh, moves upward, then it is downward, then it is a downward. That is the aorta, largest artery, uh, that is from left ventricle, left ventricle. Next one is pulmonary artery, pulmonary artery. This is from the right ventricle to the lungs, right ventricle. It is arises from right ventricle to the lungs, to the lungs. Here you have to notice that all arteries, all arteries supplies pure blood. All arteries, all arteries supplies pure blood, but this pulmonary artery has having impure blood, impure blood. It collect blood from the left ventricle, right ventricle, and send to the lungs, send to the lungs. Pulmonary means something attached to the uh, lungs. Next, pulmonary veins, pulmonary veins, pulmonary veins. So these are pulmonary veins, veins. These are four in number. Four in a number. All these four veins from a pair of a pair a pair from the each lung. A pair from the each lung. They collect oxygenated blood. They collect oxygenated blood and enters into the right side, left ventricle, left auricle. They collect pure blood. They collect oxygenated blood for a pair from the each lungs. They are four and united and forms a arch and uh, opens into the auricle, left auricle. Next one is last one is sorry left. Next one is all veins, having impure blood, but here pulmonary vein collect the pure blood, that is a deoxygenated rich oxygenated blood from the lungs to heart. It opens into the right side, left side auricle. Next one is the superior vena cava. Superior means above the parts, that means head, neck, thoracic. They collect impure blood and enter into the right auricle. Superior vena cava, right right auricle opens into into inferior vena cava collects impure blood from the lower parts of our body, there is a legs and abdomen region. They also opens into right auricle, right auricle right auricle. These are the five blood vessels. Aorta, largest artery that arises from the left ventricle supplies oxygenated blood and nutrients to all parts of our body. Next, pulmonary artery, they having impure blood. They arises from the right ventricle to lungs. Pulmonary veins, they they are from the lungs, a pair of each lung, and they opens into the left auricle. Next, auricular atrium. Next, superior vena cava from the above parts of our body. That's the head, neck, thoracic. They opens into right side auricle, atria. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava collects impure blood from the lower parts of our body. They that is also opens into the right auricle. So here, artery means all arteries having pure blood except pulmonary artery. All veins having impure blood except pulmonary vein. This is the difference. These are the associated blood vessels of heart, where so many various varieties of arteries and veins are present. We will discuss in later slides. Okay, this is now only blood vessels which are associated with heart, walls of heart. Okay, thank you.